Nice. All right. So, if you've been around for a while, you may recall I did a video on how to trademark your company name, your logo, your slogan, whatever it may be. So, I wanted to just tell you real quick about 2 clothing lines that I'm aware of that, I like chit-chatting with every once in a while. And they've been going through a little something where it comes to people stealing their designs. So, let's get into that part, and let's see if I can teach you a little something about being an honest, decent human being and business person. Pretty much not being trash, right? Okay, so what I have right here is a shirt from the folks over at HGC Apparel, a Black by Popular Demand shirt. You may have seen it, and you may know that it's a very popular brand. It's been like in magazines and TV shows, movies, music videos, and the stuff's nice. This shirt's like $70. And I bought it with my own money too, that's the cool part about it. But the thing about that is, this logo here is trademarked. Actually, let me put it on real quick. I was trying to do a transition, but I don't think it worked. So just, okay, did that one work better? I hope so. But yeah, so first of all, this shirt's really comfortable. It's like stretchy, yet it feels so, it's like the most comfortable shirt I probably own. That's probably why it cost me $70. But anyway, so the logo here, Black by Popular Demand, has been, it's trademarked. This company has like 5, 6 trademarks. But recently, Rainbow, like this clothing store, Rainbow, has been selling this logo on shirts that don't have this logo. So it's this logo, but not this logo. So they're copying. They're infringing on a trademark. So I did like a Google search real quick, like Black by Popular Demand. And you'll see on there's so many copies from other places. Amazon, these other knockoff websites are selling these things. And it's like, wow. But the crazy part about it, is that they have no shame in these things, right? So these companies, big or small, have no shame in stealing from other people. And that's a huge problem because I hate, I despise, I loathe people that copy other people's work and pass off as their own. Like one of the biggest things I dislike is when someone makes a shirt or whatever it may be and sells it and has a figure, a historical figure on the face. So Rosa Parks, they got Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, they got Obama, they have Frederick Douglass, they have somebody on this shirt, right? Somebody that has made some type of impact in somebody's life. And they're selling these shirts or these hoodies or whatever it may be. And they're using this person's image and they're not even donating to a cause this person believes in or would have believed in. Right? Like, how dare you? How dare you steal like this? How dare you use someone else's image and their likeness to make you money, but you're not even going to donate some of that money to what they would have believed in? Right? So, like I said, when you trademark something, you own it. It is yours. It's legally yours. If someone else decides to use your mark or a part of your mark, you have a lawsuit against that person. You have a case to get paid. And that's why I've been trying to encourage you all so much to trademark your stuff. If you have a design that you're going to use, you plan on making this brand huge or whatever it may be, trademark it, right? Because once it's a registered trademark, then anything else you do is just a regular trademark. But the regular trademark comes back to that registered trademark. So let's put it this way, right? If you look up Goku, right, from Dragon Ball Z, it's a registered trademark. Vegeta, the last time I checked, was just a regular trademark, right? If you look up Pikachu, it's a regular trademark. Pikachu is a registered trademark, and Charmander is a regular trademark. I said that right, registered, regular? Okay, yeah, you get what I'm saying. Like the little R and then like the regular TM, those are 2 separate things, but they're all under the same branch. You need to protect your stuff. Actually, let me show you something else. This is a bomber jacket, right? From Comedic Knowledge, a buddy of mine as well. And he's going through something now, or this guy, or these guys, or people in general are using his slogan, God Mode, on their hoodies. But the crazy thing about it is that he was already selling hoodies that had God Mode on it. He's been promoting this as his thing. But people are using it, right? He's talking to him, asking him, hey, just take it down, trying to be nice. But the thing is now he has a legal reason to be up. He has a legal case. You need to be able to put in front of these people, these lawyers, whoever it may be, this is mine, I own it, it's not yours, get rid of it, or you owe me money. I want you to understand how important it is for you to own your own stuff. If you have an idea, intellectual property, make sure you own it because somebody else will. And don't ever think that your idea is too small or not important enough and you don't have what it takes, because everything that you use now came from someone else's brain. Someone else thought about it. Okay? Remember that. You have the power to change the world. You have the power to do anything, but you need to make sure that you're protecting yourself, because you don't want to just give your ideas away. I understand you may want to give it away, but you need that credit, because if you give that credit to somebody else, they're going to make millions and billions and maybe even change the world off of your hard work. And I don't know about you, but I damn sure at least want my name in the remarks. So that's essentially what I wanted to say. I want you all to understand the importance, okay, of protecting yourself, taking care of yourself, making sure that you are protected 100% against anybody trying to steal your stuff. All right, you have a passcode on your phone, you have a passcode on your computer. If you have a house, you probably have an alarm system. I'm sure you have a lock. You lock your car before you leave. So make sure you lock down the stuff that you've worked hard to make and create and blow up. It's your stuff. Protect it. I hope that was okay with you. I hope the way I presented that to you was fine. Hope you don't feel offended. If you do feel offended, I don't care. I want you to be great. I want you to take care of yourself. And remember that no matter what you do, somebody else is watching and waiting for you to slip up so they can take credit for what you have accomplished. My name is Mike. I'm from Netter Gold. And this is me saying,